Welcome back to UK Knowledge Guru. In today's video, we will learn how to claim universal credit. So the first step is we will create the universal credit account. For that, I'll click on sign in and it will ask me for the username and password. I don't have any username currently, so I'll create an account, Universal Credit Online Service. I'll click on this. When I'll click on this, I'll come to the page where it will take me to universal credit account. Now it says create an account. I'll click on that. If you have already get the benefits, do you know I don't get any benefits? So basically, if you get benefits, obviously you have an account. So I don't have. So universal credit has replaced child tax credit, working tax credit, all that stuff. So I have read all these statements. I'll click on this and I'll click continue. Now it says create an account. It will ask for my username. So I'll create a username drkhan231. I'll put my password and I'll retype my password. Okay. Now it will ask me for the security questions. So for security questions, you just need to make sure that you provide correct security. If you provide something incorrect, you can be into trouble. So for example, any racist or any abusive questions or answers can take you into the imprisonment as well. So make sure you provide correct questions and answers. Question 1, where were you born? I'll put that. I'll put London over here. Question 2, what was the film you saw in the cinema? I'll put Narcos. Continue. About you, enter your name as it appears on passport. Okay, I'll put that Dr. Khan. I'll put my date of birth 111980. Email address, I'll put drkhanconsultant@gmail.com. Okay, now I'll click continue. Confirm your email. So I got the code on my email. I'll put this code in and continue. Enter your mobile number. I don't have any mobile number. Okay, I still need to put mobile number, so I'll put this one in. How do you want it to contact by email? Continue. Enter your postcode. I'll put my postcode in. I enter your home address. I'll put London over here. Postcode. I'll put that. Continue. Okay, now account is created. So that's how you will create your account. That's how easy is that. Click continue. Apply for universal credit. So once you have an account created, then you can apply. So you need to provide all the details. So we will start with the claim. So if I start claim, I'll come to this page, your living situation. That's my first question. If you live with your partner, couple, you need to joint claim together. Okay, we live together. So I'll put the joint claim in. They do not claim universal credit. Okay, that's fine. Which of the following describe your current living? Ex-partner, I do live, not I live my partner. I click that, continue. Make a joint claim. As you live, I can confirm I am making a joint claim. Link your details. Okay, do you need a linking code? Yes, this is my linking code. So my partner and my linking code will collaborate. Continue with your claim. Click on that. Now it's asking my nationality. Welcome back. I'll put my nationality. What is your nationality? So I got British nationality. I'll put that. Have you been out in the UK? You have a different, yeah, I go and I'll put this one in. Let's go further. Have you been out of the UK in last 2 years? No. Continue. Housing cost. Do you have housing cost, for example? No, I don't have any housing cost. Homeless support. Are you currently homeless? That's what this is asking. So I'll put no over here. Continue. Who lives with you? Children who live with you. You can apply for children who are living with you. Under 20-year-old includes children, stepchildren, do not include. How many children do you want to apply? I'll put 1. Continue. Please tell us about the children. Okay, I'll put Messi. I'll put Khan. Gender, male. I'll put the date of birth over here. Continue. More child. Is Messi Khan is in the care of local authority? No. Is Messi Khan adopted? No. Is Messi Khan currently abroad? No. Is Messi Khan is in prison or custody pending trial? No. Is Messi Khan blind? Definitely no. Does Messi Khan get benefit? No. Continue. Now it's asking works and earning. How do you decide if you're self-employed? Are you self-employed? I am. No, I'm not. I'm unemployed. That's why I wanted to claim the benefit. Have you been stopped working in the last? No. It was okay. Are you expecting any earning from previous? No. In the next month, are you going to be self-employed? No. Are you starting any? No. Details of UK Armed Force. Have I worked in Armed Force? No. Income and other earnings. Income and other earnings. We need to know every income. Do I get any income? No, I don't get any income. Do you get any of these benefits? No. Do you get armed forces? No. Okay. Do you get any income, other benefit, wages? No, I don't get any student loan or any payment. So none of these above. Continue. Now it's asking for my education and training. Are you in education or training? Yes, I am. I'm doing education currently. Is your course officially registered as full time? Yes, you can say that it's full time. So continue. What level are you studying? So I'm doing masters. I'll put postgrad over here. Continue. Course details. Start date of your current academic. So I'll put that, for example, 2024. It will end in 2026. Continue. Are you foster care? No. Details of local authority. Have you lived in Scotland, Wales, England? I don't want to discuss this. Continue. Health. What you tell us about your health. Do you have any health issues? No, I don't have any health issues. Caring for someone. Am I caring for someone? So, do you get carer benefit? No, I don't get any carer benefits. Caring for someone. Do you care for someone who has health condition or disability? No, I don't got anyone like that. So I'll click no over here. Continue. Now it's asking for childcare cost. Childcare cost, you can claim up to 85% of your childcare cost. Okay, stop paid for less than 2 months. That's fine. So it's giving me all the links for the childcare cost where I can go and claim more benefits. Do you have any children? No, I don't have. I don't want to include any. Now it's asking for bank details. I'll put the bank details. Bank of London, for example. Names. Okay, I'll put my name on it. Sort code. I'll put my sort code. And now it's asking for account number. So I'll put my account number over here. And that's okay. My name or my partner or both. It's both. Okay, continue. Now my bank details, money, saving and investment. Do I have any premium bonds, cryptos? No, I don't have anything. Other saving and investment. I'll click, I do not have anything. Okay. Check your answers. Done. That's correct. Confirm your details correct. Submit your claims. Your claim, are these details are correct? Yes. So are the details are correct? Yes. Home address is correct. Previous address is correct. Bank details are correct. Nationality is correct. Housing cost is correct. Who lives with you? That's correct. Are the details are correct? Health are correct. Child care is correct. Caring for someone is correct. Okay. So it's just asking all the questions. I'll just put yes for everything. I agree with all these details. I understand these commitments. It's important that you understand that universal credit payment you are agreeing with. Okay. Declaration. Contact us. That's what it's saying. Contact us, Universal Credit Helpline. If you cannot speak, then obviously that's a phone number 0800 328 5644. You can contact this number during 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and it's just giving me all the links where I can get help for it. So I understand and agree. If I provide anything incorrect, I'll be persecuted. I can be in jail as well. Okay, submit claim. And once your universal credit claim is approved, you will get this kind of login where you will have a home button and journal. Every week you need to update your journal. You will get this kind of page where you can make a claim, you can do whatever you want, and you can also click on payments and you can see how much you get paid. Over here you can see how much you got paid. So on payment section you can see that these are the dates you got paid every month. So that's monthly. You can select twice, after every 2 weeks or a month. It's up to you. So this is like in this claim you have all this amount. You can see that. So 355. And if you right click and open this, you will get to that page where you will see your payment for this month is this much. This will be paid on this date. Assessment date from 20th December to 19th January. Okay. Standard allowance £368. Total entitlement before deduction 368. What we take off. So you need to make sure if whatever saving you have, they will take off. So for example, in this case, there was a saving of £6,646. So they have done the calculation and they're taking off £13.05 off the universal credit. So they will whatever the universal credit is decided by the UK government, they will minus that saving amount calculation from it. So that's how it works. And you can also make appeal, or you can also click on this and you can go further if you think that it's not right. That's where you will click managing your claim guide to get the appeal. You can also tell them if the things have changed. For example, your saving have been gone. So in this case, they had £6,000 saving, so that's gone, for example. So then they can tell, and then they can get the full amount.